Hello everybody, it's Crypto George, and today we are gonna make an analysis of a few coins. So, firstly is Bitcoin, as you can see, and we're gonna choose to see the supports, and they are supporting in this case. I can go to see like this one, but we don't need to be honest. But anyway, okay. We don't need to see this, so goodbye, man. Okay. Then we need to see another support. Here we go. Okay, this is so beautiful, and we can choose another support. In this case, this is gonna be our support. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. We don't need more than this. So beautiful. All right. Here we go. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, and now we need to see something very interesting. In this case, we are not gonna do anything, but we can go and see much cipher because it's very important now. Oops. Okay, we don't need to. By the way, we can go and see RSI strategic. Okay. Okay. What, like, we don't need to see more than, okay, not this, but this is gonna be very good. Oh my gosh, now what's that? We don't need to see this. RSI. Oops, that's going very bad, but okay. We got very bad RSI, and this is not good to know. We need to see. This is absolutely good. And okay, what I'm going to show you is that you are choosing RSI, then horizontal line, and 16 is your line. Okay, this is what I'm talking about here. And the loop, when RSI is about to 16, and they will see something like this, then you can go short. In this case, it's gonna be short position. Boom, the price is actually dumping. As you can see, we got RSI dump here, but it was very small dump, to be honest, 1% and 57. But okay, that's gonna be very good, to be honest. But okay, now let's discuss about long position. When RSI is below to 16, like here, you can go in short, or here short, maybe here, you can here, or here. Okay, as you know, when RSI is below to 16 and it's like this, then it's short, or when RSI is about 16, then like this, it's short position. It's very simple. Okay, now what are we going to do in this case? I would say that we aren't going to do anything. Okay, but we can make something like going up, then coming down to this area, I mean our support. Then we will have something like this to go in long position and going up to next support. this is gonna be very good. Absolutely easy. Take it easy, and we don't need to see anything. And let's go to the end. The coin, for example, Shiba Us Shib Shib Us. Here we go. And okay, okay. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. And we are changing your centers to Heikinashi because that's very good, more comfortable and easy. Okay, so as you can see, we have good confirmation here, which means the price is pumping, but how far is very good question. Well, you need to make your supports and you will have a very good answer to know if you are gonna go in short or long position. But I don't suggest you guys trade without knowing what you will have to do. So yeah, if you like my videos, please subscribe me and hit the notification button. Make sure it's on so you will never miss any of my new video. Thank you for watching. It was Crypto George and see you in my another video. Bye.